Hang on, I think I did something wrong. Yep. Dang it. We gotta recheck something. I need you to go to that far corner. Okay. Burn 5.5. Yep, I sure did. I messed up. All right, right now, checking diagonals. The other side was 49 foot 3 1/4 inch. This side right here is 49 3 1/4 plus, so less than 1/8 of an inch different, maybe a 1/16 different diagonal. This side is a little bit longer, so that is really good, really awesome, close to square. Moving on to the next step. Today is a slow moving day. We have a bunch of water in our crawl space. Since we're in Oregon, we get a lot of water. And we gotta get most of that out. We can leave some of it to evaporate, but we gotta get most of it out. We tried using this right here, this drill pump made by Miles Craft. So I tried using this thing. We tried pumping it into like a 5-gallon bucket, and it worked okay, but it's better for like a pond or something like that, not something like this. The water's not deep enough, so it was sucking up too much air. But for pumping water out of a pond, this drill pump works great, by Miles Craft. I'm gonna grab the leaf blower and try to blow the water towards Josh. He's sucking it up with the big shop vac there with an extra long hose, so we'll see if we can do that. First thing I just did, from the corner right there, pull a 4 foot mark right there, and then go to the other corner over there, pull another 4 foot mark, snap a straight chalk line. That's gonna be where we put our first row of sheeting. You wanna make sure that your first row is perfectly straight, because then all the rest of them just build off of that one. We're gonna go 42 foot across and 28 foot long. All right, we are rolling. We're pretty far for less than half a day. Right now we've got these plate washers and bolts that are sticking up, these J-bolts and plate washers. Here's a water line, here's a toilet drain. Did you know you can plunge cut with a jigsaw? Follow for more tips and tricks. Woo, I almost got it. Give it a little tappy. Lighter. Good. You got it.
What are we gonna do for that back part?
We'll cut a sheet down to 2 foot.
Okay.
Oh, this is Johnny Cash.
Oh, the
Larry Hahn was a framer, a builder. This is Johnny Cash.
Okay.
All right, I got numbers for you. 93 3/4 center. Okay. From the tongue, pull it up from the tongue. 10 3/4 center. Now we're gonna go over to the center and we're gonna snap this wall here. This wall is 2 foot 2. Let's make sure. Can you measure from, see where my red squiggly lines are? Measure the distance between one squiggly end to the other squiggly end. 2 foot 2 inches. 1, 2, 3.5. 3 foot 2.5 inches. So I've got a mark here. Okay. Now come down here. 3 foot. Burn 12 inches there. Is that it?
Yep.
3 foot 2.5 inches here. 1, 2, 3.5. Hang on, I think I did something wrong. Yep. Dang it. We gotta recheck something. I need you to go to that far corner. Okay. Burn 5.5. Yep, I sure did. I messed up. I'm glad I caught that. I'm off by 1 full inch on this whole entire wall.
Wasn't it?
Yeah, but see, I only did 4.5 inches on accident instead of 5.5. So we need to move this chalk line to here, and then all of these walls need to shift that way 1 inch, which is really easy because that only this wall has to move 1 inch. This wall has to move 1 inch. And then this one that we're trying to snap right now has to move over 1 inch.
Okay.
That's it. It's real easy. I'm gonna use a different color chalk line.
Okay.
I need to re-chalk this. So you're gonna hold it right here. I gotta cut that overhang off. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. Thanks for watching my video. I'm gonna continue to post videos of this project as we progress, and I'll do daily photos so that you can see the day-to-day updates and how this project is progressing. All right, thanks so much. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so you get notifications when I put up new videos, and I'll see you guys next time.